Hi there and welcome to the Farmer's Table. My name's Ian Tyson, avid home cook, and today with our Goldenhearts, we'll be making traditional latkes. For today's recipe, this is what you will need. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Using the large whole side of your box grater, grate your Goldenhearts and your Farmer's Table yellow onions. Gather up the corners of the kitchen towel and twist to wring out these potatoes and onions. We don't want moisture in there. Transfer the mixture to a large bowl and add salt and pepper. Add the egg and the breadcrumbs and mix thoroughly. In a skillet, add a small amount of your vegetable oil and bring up to heat at a medium-high. Spoon in the mixture onto the pan and press down with the back of the spoon to flatten your latke. Cook until golden brown on each side, 3 to 4 minutes. Transfer the cooked latkes to a cookie sheet covered with parchment and put in the oven at 425 degrees for 5 minutes to crisp up. These latkes are perfect as a side dish. You can have them with a breakfast. They're an excellent appetizer with a dip. Follow your joy. Thanks so much for watching The Farmer's Table. We'll see you next time with more Goldenheart recipes. Happy cooking.